Oh man, it's been a minute since we've done a 2-minute tutorial, bro. What's cracking, Jump Nation family? It's your boy here, Rushy, yes, aka the Jump Rope Coach. Welcome back to another fire 2-minute skipping tutorial, people, where usually I go a little bit over the 2 minutes, but you're still gonna love what you're about to see, all right? If you don't know what's going on this channel, basically we are the home of skipping. We're the home of the best speed ropes, the best heavy ropes, all the best vinyl in the world. Just go check it out down below. I wanna get straight into this tutorial because I wanna try and get this video done as quick as possible, okay? Peeps, you wanna know what my warm-up is, right? Everyone's kind of getting involved. They're asking me questions. They're saying, listen, what's your warm-up when it comes to skipping? We want to know. Let's get done. First and foremost, right, skipping is the warm-up, all right? It's just as simple as that. There's no kind of crazy things that I do. There's no crazy kind of like, you know, proper warm-ups, as it were. If you were to like hit a leg day or something, I just pick up the rope and I'll just think, this is my warm-up. So even if you're doing something like a simple boxer step, even if it's just a one-arm swing and you're doing this, you're already getting the blood flowing around your body. It's low impact. You're not doing anything crazy. You're very unlikely to pull a muscle or do any damage to your body. But let me just break it down for you. That's just a kind of corny answer. But this is what I usually do, okay? When I step into the gym, the first thing that I usually do, right, is first thing, I've suffered from a little bit of Achilles problem. I've suffered from hip problems, from football and things like that, over-exercising, etc., etc. So I know that I'm prone, if I go too hard too early, I'm prone to probably getting a little bit of soreness the next day, especially with my Achilles after a skipping workout. So the first thing I normally do is I'll just do a few kind of calf raises like this, all right? Now, don't knock the big man calves here I got, but I'll usually just do your usual kind of calf raises and I'll kind of hold it for kind of 5 to 10 seconds, something like that. So here, hold it for 3 to 5, maybe as long as I can, just nothing too aggressive, okay? So I'm just getting the calf a little bit stretched out, just making sure again that the Achilles is not kind of going in cold, as it were. Then the next thing I'll do is I'll probably go for my one-arm swings. Now, if you watch this channel closely, learned this move from Mayweather, or saw it first from Mayweather, and I'll just sit there, I'll be in the gym, I'll be just kind of watching myself in the mirror. If I don't have a mirror, I'll just be here, and I'll just be kind of feeling that rhythm, feeling the rhythm of the rope, hearing the sounds, hearing it clip the ground. If I've got my music on, then I'm just kind of going to a beat of the sound, going to the beat of the music, and it's just very casual, very chilled. I might even throw in a kind of couple of 360s in here, but again, bouncing to the rhythm, making sure that there's no big impacts, very soft, very nice and chilled, flexing the knees, etc. That's most part of my warm-up, right? I'm not going to kind of sugarcoat or anything like that. But then sometimes what I'll do is in between the kind of boxer step or those kind of one-arm swings, if I swing into this as my warm-up, like I said, skipping is the warm-up. If I'm just doing a little bit of this before I do anything major, might bust in a little cross. What I'll do is I'll put the rope down and I'll come to like a kind of wall or something. If you've got like a wall, obviously, in your house or whatever, I'll just come here. Hopefully you can see me. I'll be just stretching. I'll be just stretching that calf again in different kind of ways, right? And I'll be just making sure again that my Achilles is safe, calf is safe, because they're the things that take the most impact when it comes to skipping, all right? And then I'm feeling loose, and that's when I just literally pick up the rope, and then we just take the speed up, but nice and simple. We won't go too quick early. We'll just literally build it up, and then we'll get into our normal kind of bossy routines. Try it, very simple. Get it done, pick up your rope, wherever you are in the world. Hope you guys are keeping safe. And remember, hit these links up down below, man. Really appreciate the support. Grab everything you need. We're also bringing out the new money rope performance, which I've just been testing. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out. Got the whole full rundown of what this rope looks like. So people, catch you in the next video. So take care of yourself, skip the treadmill, stay safe. Peace.
Was the knight in shining armor in your movie? Would put your lips on mine and love the aftertaste now.